I have a little slag chipping hammer. I don't know what happened to it. Doesn't really matter, I guess. This is all dirt daubered on here. I could have blasted the paint off or something. This pipe seemed to melt away very quickly. It wouldn't hardly weld. It would melt away before the rim did. Just had to do this the best I could. I don't know where slag chipping hammers go to. Every time I find mine, I'll say, oh, here's my slag chipping hammer. And then when I go to welding, where's my slag chipping hammer? Can't find it. Oh well. Who cares what that looks like? It's an ugly stand anyway. Next I'm going to put this on top of it. And I'll have to close it in. And I found this metal that I'm using to patch my barbecue with. So I need to scratch a line on it, I guess. Let's see. Like that. That's close enough. Alright, are you guys bored yet? Probably. To get out my chop saw now. Alright, let's chop this off of here. Let's see what happens. It's not tight enough. Hot diggity. I thought it was tight. Get it cranked. Oh, there we go. Yeah, buddy. Now all we gotta do is tack this on here. Alright, I'll have to grind that off. It turned out pretty nasty. I'll be back. Well, I've made a mess. I've got every tool out. Okay, here we go. Let's get this thing attacked. This sheet metal. Oh, I missed all that. But it surely did. Let's try again. Well, that didn't work. We'll have to grind that off. Well, I didn't think it was laying flat, but it's laying about as flat as it can. That does an awful good job of tack welding on sheet metal. The MIG does. What's all that smoke? Is we on fire down there? Oh my gosh, that whole thing is on fire. We're gonna have to put it out. My little cushion, darn it. Welding and cushions don't go together. Okay. Look, a little cheap MIG, it welded up the sheet metal. That's good on sheet metal. It's a little 80 ampere. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's just a toy. A little toy. That's good for a beginner welder. It's good for sheet metal. I like it for tacking and sheet metal. Alright. Now this here beam is all closed up, and I'm going to see if I can't get to stick to the top of that pipe. Alright. I got her all ready to weld. And we'll use the little spot welder to get her started. This is all just junk metal. So, you know, it is what it is. But it's going to work for what I'm going to use it for. Now, I'm going to have to come back. You guys can't watch me do that. Can't hold the camera and do it. Well, I got done with it. This is what I was making. I can just reach down here and do my work. That's just about right. I need to sharpen the lawnmower blade. That way I don't get all that nasty iron all over the inside of my shed. I'm going to sweep it now, and then I'll be ready for the lawnmower sharpening blade season. Thanks for watching. Dun da da da.